just before a noun.
A, an, and there are words that are used when you mention nouns. Oh, do you remember that nouns are the names of people, animals, places, and things? Examples are boy, girl, tiger, dog, eagle, ostrich, flower, apple, zoo, school, and many more. A, an, and there are used differently. Oh, these 3 box lines belong to the 3 articles. I'll get into each one and find out how each article is used. First is the article A. A is used when the noun begins with a consonant letter. These are examples of consonant letters: B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Examples are a boy, a zoo, a tiger, and a flower. Now let's hop into the next bus for article an. An is used when the noun starts with a vowel letter. Here are vowel letters: A, E, I, O, and U. Examples are an eagle, an apple, an oasis, and an illustrator. Now, remember that A and an can only be used when there is just one noun. So to say a boy's is wrong. And apples is also very wrong. Oops! A and an go with only one noun. Now, how about the last box line for the article there? There can be used with 1, 2, 3, and even 1,000 nouns. It can also be used for articles that begin with both vowels or consonants. For example, we say the boys, the school, the elephants, the chair, the insects, and so on. Knowing how to use a, an, and there helps us in forming and writing proper sentences. Never forget that words which begin with vowel letters A, E, I, O, and U go with the article an. Well done. While all consonant letters go with the article A. Well done. And they can be used with either vowels or consonant words. Bye.